This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming a few essentials and then creating an Apple ID if you don't have one. First, make sure your device runs the latest iOS or Mac OS and is on Wi-Fi. This avoids hiccups during verification. Next, pick a recovery email and a phone number you control. Two-factor authentication will use them. Once ready, open Settings or System Preferences, tap Sign In to your device, and choose Create Apple ID to start the account creation process. Now you'll fill in personal details and secure the account. Enter your full name, birth date, and either an existing email or a new iCloud address. Choose a password that meets length and character rules. Next, verify the phone number Apple sends a code to. Type it in to confirm. Then review iCloud options, enable contacts, photos, drive, and keychain based on what you want synced. Make sure to read prompts about merging data so you don't unintentionally overwrite local information. Finish by activating backups and syncing across devices so your data stays safe. Turn on iCloud Backup in Settings and enable automatic backups. This preserves photos and app data. Sign into the same Apple ID on your other devices and enable Find My in iCloud Drive for continuity. If verification fails or you can't sign in, reset network settings, restart the device, and try again. If that doesn't work, initiate account recovery or contact Apple support for identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.